The Endicott College Writing Center presents, What is a Literature Review? Disclaimer. Literature reviews can vary considerably by discipline, so please double-check with your instructor regarding the criteria for your literature review assignment. So you've clarified things with your instructor, found out how many sources you need, what types of sources, books, journal articles, or the occasional relevant website. You visited the library, scoured online databases, chosen a topic. You've been asked to write a literature review, but what does that even mean? What is a literature review? Why do people write them? How are they different from a research paper? And, perhaps of greatest interest to you, is how do you write a literature review? This brief instructional video will help you to answer those questions. First, a literature review serves many purposes. The simplest definition would be that it is a summary, a review of what has been published on a particular topic you are examining. But more accurately, a literature review synthesizes the results of your reading into a summary that clearly lays out what we know about your topic and what we need to know, to which, of course, your research project will contribute. A literature review is not simply a list of research or an annotated bibliography. It should be thought of as an essay, an argument for why you need to conduct your particular study by demonstrating that you have a thorough understanding of what scholars and researchers have said about a topic, and how various sources agree or disagree with each other. Near the end of the literature review, you will also discuss gaps in the literature as well as how your proposed study might help to fill them in. Writing a literature review is an opportunity to learn about what research has already been done on a particular topic. A literature review also gives you the chance to highlight where agreement and disagreement exists on a particular topic, as well as emphasize certain areas that haven't been studied enough. Finally, a literature review provides you with the opportunity to establish your credibility, your personal ethos, by showing a reader that you know what conversations exist on a particular topic and how you intend to extend those conversations through your own research project. It is important because you don't want to conduct a study that has already been done. How is a literature review different from a research paper? Well, in a research paper, your job is to use sources, i.e. literature, to provide support for some sort of original claim that you're making, or to argue for your position on a particular topic. A lit review, on the other hand, synthesizes the arguments, ideas, and claims of others into a coherent summary, without you contributing new knowledge to the topic, aside from, say, how you intend to fill certain gaps left by the research you've examined in your own research project. This has been a presentation of Endicott College Writing Center. For more information about scheduling an appointment, please visit our website today.